Parrots. The very word conjures images of vibrant color and astonishing intelligence. These birds are truly captivating, a dazzling spectacle of nature's artistry. Their feathers, painted with every shade imaginable, from the deepest blues to the most brilliant reds and greens, shimmer in the sunlight. They flit through forest canopies, living jewels against a backdrop of green. It is not just their beauty that draws us in, it is also their remarkable ability to mimic sounds, including human speech. This uncanny skill has fascinated people for centuries, forging a unique bond between our species and these feathered wonders of the avian world, inviting us to look closer. What is it about these creatures that holds such a profound fascination for us? Perhaps it is their playful antics, their curious gaze, or the sheer exuberance they display. They seem to possess a spark, an awareness that sets them apart. Parrots are found across the globe, from the steamy rainforests of South America to the arid outback of Australia. Each species has adapted perfectly to its own unique corner of the world. Their diversity is simply breathtaking, a testament to the incredible power of evolution. They are more than just pretty birds. They are complex beings with rich social lives and surprising capabilities, waiting to be explored by those who take the time. The story of parrots is an ancient one, stretching back millions of years. Fossils tell us that their ancestors shared the Earth with dinosaurs. They have witnessed monumental changes to our planet, adapting and evolving through countless millennia. This long history has equipped them with an array of survival skills. Their strong, hooked beaks are not just for show. They are powerful tools, capable of cracking the toughest nuts and seeds. Their feet, with 2 toes pointing forwards and 2 backwards, a condition known as zygodactyly, give them an agile grip, allowing them to climb and manipulate objects with incredible dexterity, almost like a tiny feathered primate. As we embark on this journey into the world of parrots, we will uncover the secrets of their lives. We will marvel at their intelligence, their diverse forms, and their intricate behaviors. We will also confront the challenges they face in a rapidly changing world. The story of parrots is a story of beauty, of resilience, and of the urgent need for conservation. These magnificent birds are a vital part of our planet's biodiversity. Their continued existence enriches our world in ways we are only just beginning to fully understand. Let us explore their realm with wonder and respect, learning more about these truly amazing feathered companions that share our planet. One of the most remarkable aspects of parrots is their extraordinary intelligence. These birds possess cognitive abilities that rival those of young human children and even some primates. Scientists have been continually surprised by the depth of their understanding and problem-solving skills. Many parrot species have a relatively large brain-to-body size ratio, which is often correlated with higher intelligence in the animal kingdom. This neural architecture allows them to learn, to remember, and to apply knowledge in novel situations. They are not simply mimicking sounds. Some species can understand concepts like color, shape, and number, a truly astonishing feat for a bird. Consider the famous African grey parrot, Alex. His work with Dr. Irene Pepperberg revolutionized our understanding of avian intelligence. Alex could identify more than 50 objects, 7 colors, and 5 shapes. He could count up to 6 items and even appeared to understand the concept of zero. This was not mere mimicry. Alex could respond to complex questions and combine labels in new ways. Such abilities demonstrate a level of abstract thought, previously thought to be exclusive to humans and perhaps a few other mammals. This shows us that there is so much more to these creatures than meets the eye, a hidden world of thought and perception. Beyond understanding human language, parrots exhibit impressive problem-solving skills in their natural environments. Some species have been observed using tools. For example, the hyacinth macaw uses pieces of wood or leaf stems to keep a nut stable while it cracks it open with its powerful beak. Goffin's cockatoos have demonstrated the ability to invent and use tools to retrieve food out of reach, even creating multi-part tools in some experiments. This innovative behavior highlights their adaptability and their capacity for insightful learning. They can assess a situation, devise a plan, and execute it with precision. Such ingenuity is a key to their survival in diverse and often challenging habitats. Furthermore, many parrot species are known for their incredibly long lifespans. Some larger parrots, like macaws and cockatoos, can live for 50 to 80 years, or even longer in captivity. This longevity is comparable to that of humans. Such a long life provides ample opportunity for learning and accumulating experience. They form strong social bonds and can pass on learned behaviors within their flocks, creating unique cultural traditions. The combination of intelligence, problem-solving, and long-term memory makes parrots some of the most fascinating and complex creatures in the animal kingdom, truly deserving of our admiration and continued study to unlock their secrets. When one thinks of parrots, the magnificent macaws often spring to mind. These are the giants of the parrot world, renowned for their spectacular size and dazzling plumage. Native to the tropical rainforests of Central and South America, macaws paint the canopy with their vibrant colors. The scarlet macaw, with its brilliant red, yellow, and blue feathers, is an iconic sight. Then there is the hyacinth macaw, the largest of all flying parrots, cloaked in a stunning deep cobalt blue, with bright yellow rings around its eyes and at the base of its beak. These birds are simply breathtaking, a living testament to nature's artistry in its most flamboyant form. Macaws are equipped with incredibly powerful beaks. These formidable tools are not just for show. They are essential for their survival. They use them to crack open hard nuts and seeds, which form a significant part of their diet. The force they can exert is truly astonishing, capable of crushing even the toughest shells. Their beaks also serve as a third foot, aiding them in climbing through the branches of tall trees. Their zygodactyl feet, with 2 toes forward and 2 backward, provide an exceptionally strong grip, making them agile climbers and acrobats in their treetop homes. They navigate their complex 3-dimensional world with an effortless grace. These splendid birds are highly social creatures. They're often seen flying in pairs, their calls echoing through the forest or gathering in larger noisy flocks, especially at clay licks. These clay licks are fascinating geological formations where macaws and other parrots congregate to eat mineral-rich clay. Scientists believe this clay helps to neutralize toxins found in some of the seeds and unripe fruits they consume, and also provides essential minerals. These gatherings are important social events, allowing for interaction and the strengthening of bonds within the flock. It is a vibrant spectacle of sound and color, a true highlight of the rainforest ecosystem. The habitats of macaws are typically dense, humid rainforests, though some species can be found in savannas or woodland areas. They rely on mature forest with large old trees for nesting, as they make their homes in cavities high above the ground. The loss of these ancient forests due to deforestation poses a significant threat to their survival. Many macaw species are now endangered, their brilliant colors becoming rarer in the wild. Protecting their rainforest homes is crucial if these magnificent birds are to continue gracing our planet with their presence for generations yet to come, a responsibility we must not take lightly. Beyond the resplendent macaws, the parrot family boasts an incredible array of other fascinating members, including the charismatic cockatoos and the loquacious Amazon parrots. Cockatoos, primarily found in Australia and the islands of Indonesia, are instantly recognizable by their impressive erectile crests. These crests, which they can raise or lower at will, are used to communicate emotion, excitement, fear, or aggression. Most cockatoos are predominantly white, though some species exhibit shades of pink, grey, or black, often with splashes of yellow or red on their crests or under their wings. They are known for their intelligence and their incredibly strong pair bonds. Cockatoos possess powerful beaks, similar to macaws, which they use for foraging and excavating nest hollows in trees. They are highly social and often very noisy birds, their calls carrying for long distances. Some species, like the sulphur-crested cockatoo, can become quite bold, even adapting to suburban environments in Australia, where they are sometimes seen as pests due to their fondness for raiding gardens or damaging property. However, in their natural habitats, they play important roles in seed dispersal. Many cockatoo species are sadly threatened by habitat loss and the illegal wildlife trade, their striking appearance making them highly sought after. Across the Pacific, in the New World tropics of Central and South America, we find the Amazon parrots. These are typically medium-sized birds, predominantly green, a perfect camouflage amidst the lush foliage of their rainforest homes. However, many species sport vibrant flashes of other colors, such as yellow, blue, red, or lilac, particularly on their heads, wings, and tails. Amazon parrots are renowned for their exceptional ability to mimic human speech and other sounds, making them popular, though demanding, companion birds. Their voices are strong and they are not shy about using them, especially at dawn and dusk. Amazon parrots are highly intelligent and social, often forming strong pair bonds and living in flocks. Their diet consists mainly of fruits, nuts, seeds, and berries, and they play a vital role in seed dispersal within their ecosystems. Like many other parrot species, they face significant threats from deforestation, which destroys their nesting sites and food sources. The capture for the pet trade has also taken a heavy toll on wild populations of several Amazon species. Understanding their unique needs and the pressures they face is the first step towards ensuring these vibrant, talkative birds continue to thrive in their natural world for many years. Section 5. Smaller wonders, the charm of parakeets and lovebirds. While macaws and cockatoos command attention with their size and grandeur, the parrot world is also filled with smaller, equally captivating species, such as parakeets and lovebirds. The term parakeet is a rather broad one, encompassing a multitude of small to medium-sized parrots with long, slender tails. Perhaps the most well-known is the budgerigar, native to the arid regions of Australia. These small, colourful birds, often seen in vast swirling flocks in the wild, have become one of the most popular pet birds worldwide. Their natural colour is green and yellow, but selective breeding has produced a stunning array of blues, whites, and other mutations. Budgerigars, or budgies as they're affectionately known, are incredibly social and active birds. In the wild, they are nomadic, following the availability of water and seeds across the vast Australian landscape. They are skilled flyers and possess a surprising ability to mimic speech for their small size. Other parakeet species include the elegant ring-necked parakeet, which has successfully established feral populations in many parts of the world, and the diverse conures of Central and South America, known for their playful personalities and bright colors. These smaller parrots demonstrate the incredible adaptability and diversity within this avian family, thriving in a wide range of environments. Another group of charming small parrots are the lovebirds, native to the African continent and the island of Madagascar. There are 9 species of lovebirds, all belonging to the genus Agapornis, which literally means lovebird in Greek. They're named for their strong monogamous pair bonds and the long periods they spend sitting closely together, preening each other. This affectionate behavior is truly endearing. Lovebirds are relatively small, stocky parrots with short, blunt tails, and they come in a variety of vibrant colors, often with contrasting shades on their heads and bodies, such as the peach-faced lovebird or Fisher's lovebird. Lovebirds are active and social, often found in small flocks in their natural habitats, which range from savannas to woodlands. They feed on seeds, fruits, berries, and vegetation. While some species of lovebirds are relatively common, others face threats from habitat loss and capture for the pet trade. Their small size does not diminish their intelligence or their complex social needs. These delightful little parrots, with their affectionate nature and cheerful chirps, remind us that wonder can be found in even the smallest of nature's creations, each playing its part in the intricate web of life on our diverse planet. Section 6. Parrot lifestyles, daily rhythms and social connections. The daily life of a parrot is a busy affair, filled with a variety of activities essential for survival and well-being. Most parrots are diurnal, meaning they are active during the day and rest at night. Their day typically begins at dawn, with vocal calls to reconnect with flock members or mates. Soon after, they embark on foraging expeditions, searching for food, which can include fruits, seeds, nuts, flowers, and sometimes insects. This search for sustenance can take them over considerable distances, requiring keen eyesight and a good memory for locating productive feeding spots. They're highly resourceful in their quest for nourishment. Social interaction is a cornerstone of parrot existence. The majority of parrot species are highly gregarious, living in pairs, family groups, or larger flocks. These social structures are complex and vital for their survival. Within a flock, parrots engage in various social behaviors such as mutual preening, which helps to maintain feather condition and reinforce social bonds. They also play chasing each other through the trees or engaging in mock battles. These interactions are not just for fun, they help young birds learn essential skills and establish their place within the group's hierarchy, fostering a sense of community. Nesting habits vary among parrot species, but most prefer to make their homes in cavities. These can be holes in trees, crevices in cliffs, or even termite mounds. Suitable nesting sites are often a limited resource, and competition for them can be fierce. Many parrot species are monogamous, forming strong pair bonds that can last a lifetime. The pair will work together to prepare the nest, and both parents often share the duties of incubating the eggs and caring for the young chicks. The chicks are altricial, meaning they are born blind and helpless, relying entirely on their parents for warmth and food for many weeks. As evening approaches, parrots will often gather at communal roosting sites. These sites can host hundreds, sometimes even thousands of birds. The journey to the roost can be a spectacular sight, with flocks converging from different directions, filling the air with their calls. Roosting together provides safety in numbers, reducing the risk of predation. It also serves as an information center where birds might learn about new feeding areas from others. The intricate social lives and daily routines of parrots highlight their intelligence and adaptability, showcasing a vibrant community spirit in the wild. These complex interactions are fascinating to observe and crucial for their ecological success. Section 7. A parrot's palate and chatter, understanding diet and communication. A parrot's diet is as varied as the species themselves, shaped by their specific habitats and the resources available. Most parrots are predominantly herbivores, feasting on a rich assortment of seeds, nuts, fruits, berries, flowers, and leaf buds. Their powerful, hooked beaks are perfectly adapted for this purpose. Macaws, for instance, can crack incredibly hard nuts that would be impossible for other animals to open. Smaller parakeets might delicately extract seeds from grasses, while lorikeets have specialized brush-tipped tongues for feeding on nectar and pollen from flowers, playing an important role as pollinators in their ecosystems. This dietary diversity is a key to their widespread distribution. Some parrot species supplement their diet in interesting ways. As mentioned earlier, many South American parrots visit clay licks to ingest minerals, which may help detoxify their system from the poisons in some of an unripe fruit or seeds they consume. The kea parrot of New Zealand is famously omnivorous and opportunistic, known to eat everything from roots and berries to insects, carrion, and even, on rare occasions, to attack sheep. This adaptability in diet allows parrots to thrive in a wide range of environments, from lush rainforests to arid scrublands, showcasing their evolutionary success and resourcefulness when it comes to finding a meal. Communication is another fascinating aspect of parrot life. They are renowned for their vocal abilities. While mimicry of human speech is well known, their natural vocalizations are complex and serve many purposes. Parrots use a wide range of calls, squawks, whistles, and shrieks to communicate with each other. These calls can signal danger, maintain contact with flock members, defend territory, or attract a mate. Each species has its own distinct repertoire of sounds, and even regional dialects can occur within the same species. This rich vocal language is essential for their social interactions and survival in the often dense vegetation where visibility is limited. Beyond vocalizations, parrots also communicate through body language. The position of their crest, as seen in cockatoos, can indicate their mood. Ruffling feathers, pinning their eyes, rapidly dilating and contracting the pupils, beak grinding, wing flapping, and various postures all convey messages to other parrots. Understanding this subtle visual language is key to interpreting their intentions and emotional states. For instance, a relaxed parrot might be quietly preening, while an agitated one might screech loudly and ruffle its feathers. This combination of vocal and visual signals creates a sophisticated communication system, allowing for nuanced interactions within their complex social world. Section 8. Shadows over paradise, parrots facing unseen dangers. Despite their vibrancy and intelligence, many parrot species around the world are facing a precarious future. The bright colors that make them so admired also make them targets. One of the most significant threats to wild parrot populations is habitat loss and degradation. As human populations expand, forests are cleared for agriculture, logging, mining, and urban development. This destruction removes not only the parrots' food sources but also their essential nesting sites, which are often specific types of tree hollows that take many years to form. Without a safe place to breed and raise their young, parrot numbers inevitably decline. The illegal wildlife trade poses another severe threat. Parrots are highly sought after as pets due to their beauty and talking ability. Many birds are captured from the wild using cruel methods, and a large percentage of these captured birds die during transit due to stress, injury, or poor conditions. Even for those that survive, being taken from their natural environment and social groups causes immense suffering. This trade, driven by demand, has decimated populations of many species, pushing some, like the Spix's macaw, to the very brink of extinction in the wild. The desire to possess these birds can have devastating consequences for their wild counterparts. Climate change is an emerging yet increasingly significant threat to parrot survival. Changes in temperature and rainfall patterns can alter the availability of food sources such as fruiting and flowering seasons of plants. Extreme weather events like prolonged droughts or more intense storms can directly impact parrot populations and their habitats. For species that are already living in restricted ranges or have specialized ecological needs, the effects of climate change can be particularly severe, making it harder for them to find food, water, and suitable breeding conditions. This adds another layer of complexity to the challenges these remarkable birds already face. Many parrot species are now listed as threatened or endangered by the International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN. The kakapo of New Zealand, a flightless nocturnal parrot, is critically endangered, with intensive recovery efforts underway to save it from extinction. The African grey parrot has seen dramatic declines due to trapping for the pet trade and habitat loss. The stories of these and many other species serve as a stark reminder of the fragility of these incredible creatures. Without concerted conservation action, the rich chorus of parrot calls may fall silent in many parts of our world, a truly tragic loss for biodiversity. Section 9, Our Shared Future, protecting these winged jewels of nature. The plight of parrots is serious, but it is not without hope. Around the globe, dedicated individuals and organizations are working tirelessly to protect these magnificent birds and their habitats. Conservation efforts take many forms, from breeding programs for critically endangered species to the establishment and management of protected areas. Captive breeding programs, like those for the kakapo or the Spix's macaw, aim to build up population numbers in safe environments, with the ultimate goal of reintroducing birds back into the wild. These programs require immense dedication, scientific expertise, and often considerable financial resources. Protecting and restoring parrot habitats is equally crucial. This involves working with local communities to promote sustainable land use practices, combating illegal logging and reforesting degraded areas. Sanctuaries and rescue centers play a vital role in caring for parrots that have been confiscated from the illegal trade or can no longer be cared for as pets. These facilities provide refuge and rehabilitation, and also contribute to education and awareness about the threats parrots face. Research into parrot behavior, ecology and genetics is also essential for developing effective conservation strategies, helping us understand their needs better. Each of us can also play a part in protecting parrots. One of the most important actions is to ensure that if you choose to have a parrot as a companion, it is sourced ethically from a reputable breeder, not captured from the wild. Supporting organizations that work on parrot conservation, whether through donations or volunteering, can make a real difference. Reducing our own environmental footprint helps protect habitats for all wildlife, including parrots. Spreading awareness about the conservation needs of these birds and the dangers of the illegal wildlife trade can also encourage others to act responsibly. Every small action contributes to a larger, positive impact. The future of parrots depends on our collective will to protect them. These intelligent, beautiful, and charismatic birds enrich our planet immeasurably. They are symbols of the wild, untamed beauty of nature. By understanding the threats they face and supporting conservation initiatives, we can help ensure that their vibrant colors continue to flash through our skies and their diverse calls continue to echo through our forests for generations to come. It is a responsibility we share to safeguard these winged jewels, ensuring they not only survive but thrive as a testament to our commitment to the natural world we all depend upon.